Whenever we try to connect to the PostgreSQL server, we will receive the error like this: psql path error, that is peace authentication failed for the user Postgres. This error is not for the only Postgres, it will come for all other logins. Why? Because by default PostgreSQL gives access to clients who connect using Unix sockets, provided the database user is the same as the system's username. Here we will show you how to enable this authentication for all other connections. We have to enable this option in pg_hpa.config file. This contains a set of host-based authentication rules. Let's navigate to pg_hpa configuration file. cd/etc/postgresql main. This is the path where the all configuration files are stored. Now give ls-ldrh. See, this is the file which contains authentication rules. Okay. Now open pg_hpa configuration file. I am going to open using vi text editor. vi pg_hpa.conf file. Press and run. Here it's saying permission denied. You can quit this editor by press escape :q and give the exclamation, then enter. Here we have not done anything. Why the above error came? Because the permissions are only for the user Postgres. See here the user details for this file. Now sudo su postgres. We are switching to Postgres user. Enter the password of the current user. See, now username has been changed. Now run vi pg pg_hpa.conf. Press enter. Scroll down to this database administrative login by Unix domain sockets. Here we have to change this peer to trust. We are in VI editor. Press first, move cursor to peer, at the start of T. Remove these 4 letters by press 4 times X and press I to enter insert mode. Now type trust. Once we have typed trust, then press escape button, then press :W, Q and exclamation to save the changes. And press enter. Okay, now exit from this user and run this query again. Copy, enter. See, after modifications also we got the same error. Why? Because to effect the changes we have to restart the PostgreSQL. Let's restart the server by running by PostgreSQL restart and press enter. It will ask password, give the password and press enter. May take couple of moments. Now the PostgreSQL server is restarted. To check whether the server is up or not, run the command ps -el pipe symbol grep postgres and press enter. See, here it started. See the processes list. Okay. Now run the above command, which comes to PostgreSQL server with the username, and it's going to connect to the database in PostgreSQL is the postgres. Okay, I'm going to clear the screen. Now run the command. Okay, press enter. See, we have successfully logged in with Postgres with the Postgres user. To check with which user we have connected to the PostgreSQL server, current underscore user semicolon enter. See, we have connected with the user Postgres. See, here it's giving current user is Postgres. Took it from the PostgreSQL server, give the /q, then enter. Okay, this is the process of enabling access to remote or network users in PostgreSQL. For more updates, please subscribe to this channel.